So, hi guys, day 7, and we have quite a lot of things to do. So, I will not waste any time because today I have only around 1 hour. So, uh, last time we finished working login and registration with JWT token, even with working backend, with everything. But on my own, I did some things. I tried to make it a little bit more clearer and more not so messy because I felt like it's messy. But I did some things. I created this login screen with a link to the registration. So now we have also registration if we click here. And as you can see, it's in the stack. But because of the Expo route, it's like, I don't know, it's working weird in my opinion, because normally when you don't want to render something, you simply like don't render that route in some layout somewhere. And that's it. Like, it can change based on the change of the state. That's it. If the state is not there, it's just simply not rendered. And if you are on that page and state change, you can be redirected to something else. But here, you can't do it like that. And not only that, you can't uh, dynamically change the root layout. So it's like, it's working, like, I still didn't figure it out exactly how it's working. But I'm getting there. And there is some failsafe. Failsafe is I can change the React router, the routing from React router to React navigation, which works as it should. Okay, so I did also some other things. I like changed a little bit the logic how the login works. So you are sending, with every request, you are sending the token, and with every response, if the token is because when you send a request and it goes through this middleware, then if the authentication is not working, I'm sending 401, and if the error response status is 401, then I'm redirecting to the login. So this should handle it automatically, and then my idea is, if I open the app, I will fetch the, where is it? I will fetch the user, get logged in user. So I will fetch the user, and because user route has this authenticate middleware, if the user is authenticated, it should return the user, and if it's not, it should redirect to the login. That's my idea. But for some reason, it's not working as it should. Like I don't know. I can log in. I can try. Maybe it somehow start working after the night. It sometimes works like that. Not only that, it's not working. Oh yeah, my server is not running. Postgres server. All right, I logged in, right? But user should be here. For some reason, user is not loaded after a login, but he should be. He should be loaded because in the use store, here, when I set get login user, wait, maybe now I realized something. On submit. Yeah, I'm setting the token. I'm setting the token. Wait. Yeah, I'm setting the token and then routing here. And oh yeah, and this is available because it's not in the protected route. I created this new protected route. But the user is not loaded. Oh yeah, I remember. Trigger loading user and it's not triggering, right? Yeah, that was the issue that it did not trigger the loading, but even if I tried like this, exactly on this page, it still didn't work. Let's try it. Yeah, it's there, but just because I refreshed the page. But if I logged out, oh yeah, this logout also is not working as it should. Wait, the logout should do the logout should remove the logout should, yeah, delete the token and then redirect, right? But I wanted this to be like automatically. It's weird. Wait, maybe I can try something. Here, if I wait, if I do this, no, not this. Wait, this. If I fetch the login user, yeah, it tried to fetch the user because I refreshed and it didn't found it, so it redirected to the login. This is correct. This is correct. Oh, okay, it's there. And if I log out, see, no, it's not working for some reason. If I logged out, it should logged out. I guess maybe it's not serialized because I guess it's asynchronous. But still, if I log out, it should remove the token and try to fetch the user again, and it should fail and redirect me to the login, right? And free is in protected. That's the weirdest thing. That the logged in user is there for some reason. You see, it's there, but I logged out. That's weird. Maybe, can I do? No. I want to serialize both of them so they wait on each other. How to do that? Or maybe I have another idea. If I try to find Zustand, maybe if I will put the get logged in function here directly and try to get the user after logout, maybe that should work. And by the way, also today what I want to do is to how to say it, to get working the web version of this app as well, because currently it's not working. Yes, set. I think I need something like get sound, get logged in user. This looks promising. It's not a wait. All right, if I logged in, if I logged out, cool, now it's working. Now it's working. Nice. Nice. So if I try to go to some protected route when I'm not logged in, it will automatically redirect me to the... No, not if I try to go to protected route, but if I try to fetch something from the backend. If I'm not logged in, I should not be even able to go here to the protected route. Yeah, but yeah, now it's working. That's nice. So I guess it helped me to sleep, because yesterday I spent like maybe hour and a half on it and I couldn't figure it out. All right. All right. Yeah, that's nice. So now, since this is working, I will maybe try one more logout and registration. So I will register as, I don't know, what's some English name? No, I will not write English, man. This is Czech name. Okay, I'm immediately logged in. and it's working. If I logged out and try to log in as Carl, it's working. Nice. Now we have fully working login. Nice. That's... Oh, wait, what is this? This stack. It's still like, I don't know, still not working properly. Okay, but until I'm too far in the app, I really want to now try to get working the web version. Let's try it. Okay, so this is working, but some things. We don't have secure store in the web. So because of that, this is not working. Another thing, Tailwind is not working, as you can see. But except that, it's kind of working, right? Not bad. Not bad. If I try to go to protected route, oh yeah, this is login. So it's kind of working. But the Tailwind is not working, so... I remember that there was some issue with it. Maybe on web, like this. Oh yeah, this is something different. Yeah, yeah. I just remembered. This is what it needs in the layout, main layout, I think. I don't know what this is. Okay, but it's working like this as well. component is changing. Yeah, I know what's happening. I will fix it later. But right now, why is this not working? So if I'm in login form, form data. Okay, data are there. Oh yeah, I completely forgot that I need that secure store fixed. They had this nice hook. Here. I think I will try to steal this completely. Let's create new folder, hooks, use storage location. Okay. So how it works, if I'm setting the item, if it's web, I'm adding it to the local storage. Oh, if it's null, then I'm removing it. That's also kind of nice. Or I'm setting the secure store. Nice. If it's on the web, I am getting the item. But wait, I just realized something. I probably can't use hook in the here. Yeah, for sure. But yeah, it's okay. Only what I will do is this. If the platform is web, then what I will do is this. Like this. That's it. If it's web, I will get it from local storage. Elsewhere, I will get it from the secure store. Then on the use store. Yeah, I guess I don't even need the hook. Yeah, it's too complex. Because I don't need to get the item. I only need to set it. Yeah. Local storage is not asynchronous. Okay. Remove item. Like this. And now it should fully work. Let's try it. So if I try to log in, yeah, I will fix this. Oh, it's working. Ha! Easy. Easy. But is the Tailwind working? I guess it is, right? Because this is created with Tailwind. So yeah, even Tailwind is working. That's nice. But it's kind of ugly, right? But yeah, it's working. Nice. Oh yeah, Tailwind is working. Cool. Cool. Alright, so let's fix this. I know this issue. It's missing default values. That's the issue. because it's undefined, and then it's changing to the defined value, and for some reason it doesn't like it. Now it should be okay. Yeah, see? Now everything works. Let's do the same for the registration. Cool. Cool. Now it looks like that everything is working. Nice. All right, so web is working, Tailwind is working. I changed the storage. What else? Maybe, wait, I will take a look at my backlog. So yeah, maybe refactor the backend routes at React jQuery. Okay, refresh token, notifications. Oh yeah, this is important. This is also important. Verification for email. Okay, we have this. Yeah, add export TypeScript to frontend. That's the most important thing, I think, because as you can see here, currently we don't have the types from the backend on frontend, and I don't want to rewrite them because they are automatically created on the backend with Prisma. I want to just export them, so let's do that. Export types from Prisma. Let's try it like this. Maybe to frontend. I remember that I did it, but I don't remember how. Wait, I think I did it in my previous project. Let me quickly take a look. Hi. Hi. First joiner. Welcome to the stream. I'm currently trying to find my other project, but I don't want to share everything. I will switch back pretty soon. Give me a second. Okay. So with this, I can export the Prisma types from the backend to the front end. What is this? All of this undefined. Yeah, from the backend to the front end. So if I put it here, schema TypeScript, and output there is SSS. Let me take a look. Even well. Okay, let's try to run it. Okay, I'm in the work folder. Even well, npm run schema. Schema was converted successfully. And now here on the front end, we have the schema, it took this Prisma model and generated TypeScript from it and move it to the front end. So that's pretty nice, because I would be too lazy to write all the types from the backend to the front end manually. Run def. So now we have the type. So now let's add the type to the logged in user. Like this. And now here it should work, right? Yeah. Cool. Cool. Yeah. So another thing from backlog fixed. What else? Yeah. Add separated router. I think it's time. Not router, routes. This is wrong. Routes. I think it's time on the backend. Sorry, to refactor this a little bit, because it's starting to be pretty ugly. That's pretty good. Thanks a lot. So yeah, I before I found this nice, how is it, what was called, NodeJS best practices GitHub. No, that's not it, or is it? Yeah, it's maybe it. But there was somewhere example. Wait, I can actually open it because I have it. I can copy it from my previous Messenger app because I had it here. Yeah, define routes. This is what I was looking for. Like that, I like this this clearness that you have this function and you move it to the yeah, but this is something I didn't like this access layer, domain layer, entry point. I didn't like it, to be honest, so I will not do that. But what I will do is this, yeah, this define routes. That was nice, and also the same with WebSockets, if I will use WebSockets. That was nice. All right, so let's copy this and let's create maybe just routes. Or maybe wait. Maybe some separation would be nice, but not too much, because here it was too much. I didn't like it. So maybe something like login, routes in the login, something else, routes in something else. Yeah, that would be better. That would be better. So let's create further login, and inside it routes. Actually, because of this, it can be just file. So routes, maybe login routes like this. Yeah, these use cases, it was horrible to use. Wait, maybe just quickly I will take a look. If there is not some other way how to do it. Move routes to separate file. Oh yeah, this use, that's what I thought I need. What's better? I'm not sure if what's better. If this or with that use thing. What or this? Yeah, let's keep it like this. I'm already used to this, and it was kind of okay. So let's move all of this out. Maybe I will create middlewares folder. I will move the middleware there. This. Okay, that's okay for now. Wait, I will not hard copy it. Just copy it. Now, maybe something like utils. That can be nice. And now let's just move it. Okay. I again hard copy it. Login. Right. Oh yeah, because now I'm moving everything to separate files, I also need to create a Prisma instance that will be shared across everything. Otherwise, if you create multiple Prisma instances, it will create multiple connections to the database, which is something we don't want. So, is there some nice function for it? Prisma instance global. Hmm. Hmm. I think you can do it very simply. Just create new Prisma client and share it. How I did it in my previous app. I'm pretty sure I did it here. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, it's simple. That's what I thought. Here, Prisma instance. Cool. Now I will import Prisma instance. Cool. Or actually, let's hard move everything. I already moved this. I already moved this. I moved the authenticate user, right? Yeah. I don't know why this came on my recommended. I have no idea how to code, but now I kinda wanna know how to. Yeah. Okay, I'm glad I sparked your interest in coding. It's really nice. It's really nice. How to say it? Maybe hobby for you. But to be honest, it's not this nice from the beginning. You need to go through a lot to learn how to do everything. But still, after once you know everything, then you can build basically anything you want. Anything your head imagine, you can build it, which is really nice. Which is like, I don't know, it's the same like if you are building something with wood, right? And you can create anything with wood. This is the same. Once you know the how to code really well, then you can just build anything, which is really nice. But like I said, it takes a lot of time. I have more than 5 years of experience with coding, and at the beginning it's not like that. Now I really want to. Nice. So start there. It's really great. It's really great. I'm glad that I took all that time and I learned it. All right, so let's continue. So I already moved this. And by the way, if you really want to start, I have this other video series where I code messenger copy, and I explain it more a little bit what I'm doing there. So maybe you can watch it as well. It can maybe help you to learn React and things like that. All right. Yeah, let's move this sign JWT to the utils. What language should I learn first? Like, what's the best approach? It depends if you want to do the front end or the back end. It's probably easier to start with front end. So I would recommend just start with normal HTML and JavaScript. Learn how to do JavaScript well, and then move to the React. With React you can build basically any website. And then also I think it's important to learn backend as well, but even to learn the React it will take you at least like 1 year. So after that you will be already quite familiar what to do. So yeah, start with HTML, JavaScript and React. And with JavaScript I mean TypeScript, because TypeScript is what you need. Otherwise you would learn some bad habits. All right. And user. So let's create the new folder, users or user. Yeah, user. Or maybe this is also login, right? I need just for login. Wow, I think I might learn JavaScript first, or should I start with HTML or TypeScript? I'm kind of confused. Start with HTML, and then like in HTML you can use only JavaScript, but after that learn React with TypeScript. You will learn how to do website with HTML in like 1 week. It's very easy. But then as soon as possible start with React. Okay. Okay, thanks. Yeah, no problem. No problem. Yeah, I'm really thinking if I should move this to the separate folder or not. Probably I should. So routes.ts. Oh yeah, user routes. Login routes. API. Okay. User routes. User routes. API. Let's move this. All right, authenticated is from the login middleware. Oh. Yeah, it's not fixed properly. So also wait, I will just copy everything. Like this. JWT token. And bcrypt. Bcrypt. And yeah, sign with JWT and also this. All right. All right, this is working, and now we simply need to wait, am I exporting it? Yeah. We only need to call the login routes and add there the app. And the same with the user routes and add their app. Cool. Alright, some issue. Has no default export. What is this? I didn't save it. Now it's working. Cool. It wasn't saved. Ah, much clearer. Much clearer. Nice. All right. Let's test if it's working. Log out. Looks like it's not working. Did I forget something? Oh yeah. When I'm thinking about it, I really can do it simpler way. Like I can move this in the index and just pass down the router. I don't need to create new router and everything else will be same, right? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I will do that too. But first, let's test if it's working. Login, yeah, it's working. Okay. Okay. But I think I will now move to back to the mobile app. This is a little bit nicer to look at. Wow, 3 people are watching, nice. All right. Hmm. Yeah, this happened to me before that it didn't load the app until I uh, like write something here, which is weird. Now it's not even doing that. Okay, I will need to fix this as well. Because something weird is happening here. Yeah, see now it's working. That's weird. That's weird. Also, like, why is it loading twice? That's also weird. Yeah, some weird things are happening. I will try to fix it. Probably next time. All right. Yeah, let's change this a little bit. Let's change this. Wait. Wait. Will it work like this? If I do this, right? Let me try something. And here I will pass the router. Router. Remove all of this. And save this. Pass down the router. Will it work? It would be nice if it will, because then I don't need to think about this API endpoint. Oh yeah, it's working, nice. So why they did it this like unnecessary complicated way? Because I copied it from the best practice repo. So that's like the best practice that they recommend. It has like, I don't know how many stars. It has almost 1000 stars, and they did it, they are doing it this weird, unnecessary complicated way. Why? Like, it's weird. I think this is a much better way. If you think about it, you have the same number of functions, but you use the API route just once. Also, the router is created just once, not twice, like not to every routes like with them. Not sure why they are using it like this. So let's do the same with the user route. How much time do I have? Not much. But at least we today did a lot of refactor, and it's important because if you don't refactor, then the tech debt is stacking. And I learned it the hard way. For example, in my previous app, that I always said, yeah, I will do it next time. Yeah, I will do it next time. And I tried to keep the recording interesting. So I didn't want to do the boring refactor. But then, because I was just moving it forward, then it was too much and I would have to refactor the whole app basically. So that was a mistake. Like, I know that like you shouldn't do it, because in my real job, when we have some tech debt, we try to fix it as soon as possible. But like I said, I tried to keep the recording interesting. That was my mistake. All right, router, and let's fast router. Yeah, much better solution. I don't understand why they are doing it this weird way. Cool, nice, very nice. Yeah, it's a very clear. And now, like, you are supposed to move this to another file, repository layer file. But what happened to me is that you sometimes want to include something, sometimes not. Sometimes you want to include, I don't know, you want to change it a little bit. And you would have to create a lot of different functions in the repository file or layer. And it's like too much code unnecessary. Or because you are only use it just once anyway, so why to move it to the repository layer? I'm back. Nice. Welcome back. I'm finishing soon, but I still have like 10 more minutes. So that's nice that you are back. Yeah. So I will not move this to repository rail, even so it's best practice to do that, because I realized that I like this better when I see exactly what is happening. All right. So this is moved to the front end. This is fixed. What else? Where I have my backlog. Yeah. This is fixed. Can I maybe refactor something else? Token. Yeah, probably not. Middleware. Okay, yeah, this is okay. Yeah, notifications, add correct message. Everything is quite big. I think I will maybe stop the stream here, because I don't want to start on something big and do not finish it. So yeah, I think I will finish here. So today at least we get the web version working and we refactor quite a lot of things. Also fixed this. Oh yeah, I know what I can do. Last thing, let's try to do, is to fix this weird thing. Now it's loaded. That's weird. I wonder where is the issue. That sometimes it doesn't load. It looks like the issue is somewhere here in this logic. That's like my feeling. And I don't need to load the user here. Because I'm loading the user here. Or maybe I don't need to load the user here because I'm loading the user here. That's the question. And maybe this is also why it sometimes jumped twice, because I'm loading the user twice. But I want to hide the display screen once the user is loaded. So ideally, I would like to remove the user loading from here. Oh, wait. Is it really working? Ah, see? Now it didn't load it. This is weird. This is weird. User loaded. So user loaded and font. Let's try to console log this as well. User loaded, font loaded. It should hide the display screen, but it's still here for some reason. It's not calling this display screen hide. Even so, both of them are loaded. Oh yeah, I noticed. This is the issue. But now the user is undefined. No, okay, so it's only sometimes undefined. That's the worst thing. So there is some race how is it called, the race, that two things are like happening at the same time and they are dependent on each other, but they are not waiting on each other. Hmm. Maybe I'm simply not loading the... Let me try just do this, just to test it. Okay, now it's working. Okay, no problem. So this was the issue. It makes sense. I'm just setting it to the... I'm setting just token, but not trying to load the user. Okay, so everything works, everything fixed. Everything refactored. Yeah, we are slowly getting there. Very slowly, but we are getting there. And that's the most important thing. All right. Thanks a lot for watching. I'm very happy that the comments were positive. And see you tomorrow. So bye.